Alright guys, this is going to be a quick video on replacing the hood strut. First, I'm going to use the good old glove and vice grip method to keep the hood from falling on my head. Alright, now take your flathead screwdriver and wedge it in between the metal clip, just enough to pull out the strut from the ball stud. Now do the same with the bottom one. Take the new strut, align it to the ball stud, loosen the metal clip, and press it in the strut. Finally, push back the metal clip to lock it in place. Here's a better view. So you need to wedge the flat screwdriver in between the metal clip for removal and installation, and then push the clip back in to lock it in place. Now let's do the same for the top one. Make sure to double check that all connections are nice and strong. Alright, one down, one more to go. The removal and installation is identical to the other side, so the video is sped up to save time. And that's it. Within 5 minutes you have yourself a hood that won't fall on your head anymore. If you found this helpful, please be sure to leave a like as well as subscribe. And again, all the links will be down in the description below.